Hello everyone, my name is Shahzad Khan, working in New Muslim Mission School Jhabua, going to teach you subject science of class 6, and we are going to take chapter number, that is 6 number, changes around us. What kind of changes we are discussing in this chapter that are reversible or non-reversible, that is they are having physical appearance changes or having chemical appearance changes, that is the thing which will be modified, which will again come back to its initial position or not. That is, what a fun would it be if you suddenly get some magical powers to change things around you. What are the things you would want to change? Some kind of dream appearances or your imaginations are coming in your mind anytime in the 24 hours that you want to change into a new things. There are the examples given in this picture. That is, sometimes you want to make your nose too much large, then your bed is in the air, then your pen and your pencil will be balloon, then you will be a king, then you are having a castle also. So this kind of thinking or imagination power will be every time comes in your mind, sometime in daytime and sometime in the night time. Then, can all changes always be reversed? These questions always come in your mind, that what are the changes we are going to make, they are 100% reversible or not reversible. For example, here first, that is a balloon, then a plane made by paper, then a duff here also, then a roti. Here mention a balloon changes its size and shape on blowing air into it, a toy aeroplane made by folding paper, then a ball of duff and a roll out of roti. All these changes can be reversed if we want to make without its cutting, its bursting or any kind of sting. Then if we are going to blow the balloon, if we put out all the air, it will again come to its size. Then paper into aeroplane and aeroplane again back into paper if we until not cut it. Then here are the changes which are not reversible. If a plane is made by this style, that is an airplane cut out of paper, then it will be not reversed. Then here is a roti example. If we make the proper roti structures using flame also, and that time we are not getting the proper into again in duff. And could there be other ways to bring a change? We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size, it is expands. Now, the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. That is, here is the example. We make these three tools, and if we want to make the handle here with the help of wooden, we will make it to be heat up. So heat up will expand the iron or the metal piece, and after cooling down, it will be collapsed and get tightly fixed with the wooden. Same example with the here the cart wheel with metal rim fixed to it. This kind of metal, it can be heated up and allowed to attach on this cart, wheel of the cart, sorry. Then burning of a candle. In this phase, second one and the first one, we can see here when the candle burns, wax come out and drop on the proper area. But if we put it on a plate, again we will make it on a candle. It is a reversible format also. Then here are some changes in your daily life, and feel this table when you are free at your home and change that it can be reversed or not. For example, raw egg to boiled egg, it is no, it will be not come to again on its original position. Then batter to idli, then wet cloth to dry cloth, it will be again reversible lots of time. Again you will get the wet the clothes and again dry them, then again wet them, then dry them. Then woolen yarn to knitted sweaters, grain to its flour, cold milk to hot milk, straight string to a cold string, then butter to flour, milk to paneer, cow dung to biogas, stretched rubber band to its normal size, ice cream to molten ice cream. All these changes are of regular uses. Try to avoid to make proper contact with yourself only and take help with your parents, and think that are all these changes are reversible or not. So I hope so that this chapter will be clarified in your mind that what kind of changes we will made in our life can be again goes to original position, that is in the back position or not. Its question comes because we are having so many changes. For example, a piece of our cloth, if we cut it, then we can't again make it to the normal position, but if we fold it, then again we can expand it to a normal position. So I hope so that you will get the proper examples with the proper definitions of these around changes us. Clear? If you are having any problem, then please mention us so that we can expand our examples with new definitions. Thank you.